Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a quick tutorial on how I completed these lace nails with copper accents. I used the new Uberchic Love and Marriage 04 plate that I swatched in my previous video, which I will leave linked down below for you guys. So yeah, I really love how this turned out and I thought I would share with you exactly what I did to complete this look. So if that's something that you're interested in, then just keep on watching. So to complete this look, the products that I used were a nude polish, I also used a white polish, and I used two glitter polishes, and I will explain to you why further on. And then I went ahead and used a fast dry top coat, a matte top coat, and then you will also need some liquid latex for easier cleanup. You will need some fine line vinyls by What's Up Nails, some striping tape in a copper sort of bronzy colour, and then you will also need some foil, again with the copper bronze colour. Then the stamping plate we'll be using today, as mentioned, is the Uberchic Beauty Love and Marriage 04. To stamp I used Mundi de Unis white as always, and my nail artisan Tiffany stamper. So now that you have all of the products, let's jump right into the tutorial. So to begin this look, I've already gone ahead and applied the first coat of all my chosen polishes to the nails. And now I'm just going to go ahead and apply the second. So for the ring finger and the pinky, I'm applying 2 coats of Virago varnish nauseating. Then for the ring finger, I'm applying 2 coats of Pipedream Polish whitewater. And then to the pointer finger, I'm applying 2 coats of Virago Varnish Disco Diva. And then I didn't like the way that it looked. I thought it was a little bit too dark. So I took 1 coat of Virago Varnish Rosè, which is a really beautiful rose gold polish. And I put that over the top of that Virago Varnish Disco Diva, and I really liked the added little bit of bright hollow that it added to the nail. Now that I've applied the polish, I'm just going to take a tiny little detail brush and I'm going to go around the cuticle with some acetone to clean up around the edges. Next, I'm going to take my liquid latex and I'm going to apply this around the cuticle area of the middle finger and the pinky, just because we're going to be putting a little bit of stamping on that and I want to make it a little bit easier for cleanup. Now using Uberchic Love and Marriage 04, I'm going to be using this really beautiful lace image, and I'm taking my Mundi de Unis white stamping polish and my nail artisan Tiffany stamper, and I'm going to apply this same image to both the middle finger and the pinky. Then I'm going to just take my tweezers, and as you can see I've bent the tweezers so they aren't picking up absolutely nothing, so it's taking me forever to remove this latex. But I'm just going to remove the latex and do a little bit of cleanup around those nails before moving on to the next step. Then the very last step for the pinky is just to add a fast dry top coat. I'm also going to add a fast dry top coat to the middle nail because we are going to be using vinyls in a moment and I don't want it to pull up the base. So the next step is to go ahead and section off the sides, and when I'm doing border nails like this I like to do it in 2 steps. So as I think sometimes the striping tape can be too thin and these vinyls could be too thick. So what I like to do is section off the sides and then paint it with my chosen polish, which this time is going to be white. And then I will remove the striping tape, and then using the side of the brush I will straighten out the end part, so when it comes into the middle of the nail it's as even as I would like it to be. I just find it's a lot easier doing it in those two steps, and then that way you don't have to guess what it's going to look like with that slightly thicker tape. And then once again, using my acetone and a cleanup brush, I'm just going to tidy up around the cuticle area of that nail. Now using the bronze striping tape, we are going to section off the sides of those nails. So you just want to put the striping tape where the polish meets the lace design on each side. Then taking some scissors, I'm just going to trim off any excess and make sure the bottom part is tucked up under the nail. So now we're going to move on to the foil nail. So from the foil that you previously saw, I have taken out the most bronze part of the foil because it's like a sort of tricolour foil. So I've took the reddish bronzy colour, and all I'm doing is using my finger because, as you could see, the tweezers were just being a pain in the backside. So now I'm just going to take those little bits of foil and attach them to the sticky top coat that I added to the nail all the way around that nail. Now I'm going to add some fast dry top coat to those nails to seal in the design. For the striping tape, when I'm just using the tape alone, I like to put one stripe of top coat down the striping tape on each side and then go down the whole nail once I've gave it a few seconds to dry. And the very last step for this design is to go ahead and take a matte top coat and apply that to all of those nails. But again, this step is completely optional. You could go with the glossy version if you wish, but I just love how foil and glitter looks when it's been mattified. And once that is dry, that's that design complete. So guys, this is what the design looked once the top coat and everything was all dry. As you can see, it's a super pretty design and nothing to do with Valentine's Day, but I really love how versatile that love and marriage plate is. You could get so many different designs out it for all year. It doesn't have to be just focused on Valentine's Day. So as always guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. I would totally appreciate it. And if you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Kylie. I am a complete nail polish addict, and on this channel you will find everything from nail art to swatches, reviews and the occasional haul. So if that's something you're interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I upload every Monday and Friday, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!